Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video that will leave you amazed. Just as we have been, a foreigner has come to the workshop with an Audi, so that we can change the oil in the engine, and while the oil was being changed, we were checking the tire pressure and by chance, we saw that he had a black box attached to the underside of the car. Look. You can see it there. Look, that shouldn't be there. It's not a part of the car, so we unclipped it. To see what that was, look, it turns out that this box, the one you see here, is a GPS tracker. Someone had put it there, as if it were a limpet. It has a powerful magnet. Besides, this box weighs almost half a kilo, so we told the owner of the car. I said, "What are you doing here?" And well, the owner of the car has completely changed his face, turned pale. We have given him the box, since he was in his car, and what he has done, has been, you will see, this has a rubber band and that rubber band is lifted, so, he has extracted a card that was inside, a memory card, micro SD, he has kept it in his car, he has paid us for the oil change and he has left. Well, here you have this short video. If you have been curious, like us, maybe something more than curious, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.